Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Back from the Dead. So in this video I will tell you how to install Arceus X mobile in just 2 minutes. I will tell you, so make sure you subscribe our channel Back from the Dead and hit the like button. So you need to follow me by step and your problem will be solved in just 2 minutes. First of all, you need to open your device browser, and in browser, first of all, what you need to do, you need to uninstall your previous version of Arceus, and then you need to search Arceus X and download. You need to search it on Google, and top of the page you see an option of Arceus X 2 1.13. Click on it, and whenever you click on this option you need to scroll down, and after you scroll down you will see a menu option that tell you how to operate it. As you all know how to operate, it's a very simple process, and if you don't know you can comment down. I will teach you how to operate this app. So you need to scroll down, and at the bottom you will see an option of download Arceus. You need to click on it, and after you click on this option, this will process, and this process take 2 minutes, and here you can see it is processing, and you need to wait at least 5 minutes or 2 minutes, and it depends upon your internet connection. So it's loading, and you will see that my internet connection is not good, that's why it takes some time. So after that it start downloading now, and you can see in detail that this start downloading. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting videos.